do big, bang, bam. Today we're gonna do more experiments. For this experiment, we need a tray, a bottle with vinegar, and baking soda, and balloons.
So make sure your parents are with you when you're doing this experiment. So now we're gonna take our baking soda and we're gonna put it inside one of these balloons. Which color do you want?
Pink.
The pink one. Okay, so we're gonna put the baking soda inside the balloon. Okay, so now we have our baking soda inside our balloon. So once we put this on top of the water bottle, what do you think is going to happen, Rafiga?
A reaction.
It's gonna cause a reaction, yep.
Yeah.
So let's start. Can you hold the water bottle for me?
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna put this over. Oops. Okay.
Flip it.
And then we're gonna count down. Now,
1, 2.
we're gonna flip over this together. Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Guys, did you see that? Guys, that is so crazy.
That was so crazy.
Oh my god, my pants is all sugary. I don't know how to
Look how crazy that is. Okay, don't touch, be careful. Okay guys, so this is what happens when you mix vinegar with baking soda. It causes for a reaction to happen, which causes all the gases to get inside the balloon, causing it to blow up like this. Make sure your parents are with you when you're doing this project.
You're gonna need water, erase markers, and a plate. Alright guys, let's begin. This part you get to draw on the plate.
Alright, so I think we're good. I think I'm just gonna help you fill this in over here. This little flower you have.
What?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it looks cute, but
Alright,
we have
so
too much
now
tattoos.
for this experiment, we're gonna add the water very slowly to the plate. Okay?
Okay.
So you wanna help me? Let's do it together. Alright, let's
1, 2, 3, go. Go, 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 go.
slowly.
Oh.
Let's see if we can do another one. Let's do small ones. I'm gonna do like a little snake.
I'm gonna do like
I'm gonna do a little circle. Very good. And then I'm gonna do a small heart.
And this is the head part. And
Okay.
this is the lizard's.
It's a lizard?
No, it's like a snake, but it has a.
It's like a unicorn snake. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm gonna do one more heart.
I'm gonna do
That's
one
it?
heart.
Good.
I hope this works, guys.
Okay, let's see. Hold on. Hold on. All right, so let's see. Hold on. Let me just make sure that this heart is gonna actually move. Okay, so hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Slowly. Okay, add it. Keep going, keep going. Oh.
Keep going, keep going. Oh my god, everything!
It's moving. Put your... So let's see.
Oh!
Look
yeah,
at we made a tattoo! That's so cool.
I take it off.
Let me see if I can do it.
Okay. Do it.
Oh, I did it too. That's so cool.
Yeah. I'm gonna take out what you're gonna need for this project. Markers, water, and a paper, and a bag, and a tray, and a permanent marker.
Okay, so for this experiment, we are going to draw something on this white paper. Okay, so
With my markers.
what do you want to draw?
I don't know.
Do you want to do a rainbow? Let's do a rainbow.
I can do a rainbow.
Okay, so I'm going to start the outline and you're going to color in the rainbow, okay? So we're going to draw a rainbow, okay? So now that we're done with the coloring, we're gonna put this inside our Ziploc bag. Just like that.
And we
Make
just
sure
flatten
it's
up.
nice and flat. Okay,
Because-
close it up.
Yeah.
So it should look like trace it over
Like?
with our permanent marker again.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just trace it over.
And dip it in.
And then
Dip
you
it
turn
in.
it around the other way. Now I'm gonna put it in.
Oh my god, it's actually putting it in. Wow, it's gonna make the water purple. Oh,
Can you see it?
it is.
Hold on. Have it up. Now push it down. Push it down the water. And it's like disappearing. You see it?
Yeah, it's so weird. But it's down here. I can see the colors.
Look, it's disappearing.
Yeah.
Here we have it with nice colors and then it like disappears.
Yeah, it's magic. Like my videos and subscribe. Thanks for watching.